Oh, what time is it? It's time for Crazy Koolmann. All right. What do we got here? What do we got here? A box. A box for us to open. Came yesterday. This is what do we got here? Let's see. Let's check it out, okay? All right, let's check this out. Let's see what we got going on. See what we got. As you can see, I opened it a little. This is what we got. Boom. Do you see that? That's what we got. 10428A. Right here. Check mark. Boom. Wild Truck Warrior. Oh! Little knockoff of the Wrath. Axial Wrath. And you can't afford those big ticket items like the Axial Wrath, then $400 some, right? You know, something like that. Then you go to this 110 scale. Boom. Look at this. Boom. 110 scale. Wild Truck Warrior. Fast cross country. Rock climbing. Off-road for ages 14 and only. Off-road. Mountainous, rocky, desert. Are you ready? RTR, 4-wheel drive, 2.4 gigahertz. Motor. Motor. That's what it's got in it. It's a motor, and it's an electric motor, okay? By Wiltoys. Check this out. That's not the one I got. But this is the same thing, but not that model. So let's get you to all of this stuff. This is what it says on the other side. Rechargeable battery and charger comes with it. What's really, really cool with this, not to mention the picture and all that stuff, but it comes with a really nice knockoff of the Fatabi. And there you go. So this is what the box looks like. It's really simple. Boom. There you got that. These slide right out. Bada bing, bada boom. No zip ties. They just pull right out. And then the car just pulls right out. Boom. Look at that. Mac Daddy! Not bad, huh? Look at this. Fraction. A third of the cost of the Axial Wrath. Is it an Axial Wrath? No, of course it's not. Gives you a little adapter. And this, since we're going to go through the whole box really quick, is what a digital. Look at that. Boom. Look at this. I mean, this is out of all of my RCs, and I have a few of them. This is by far the nicest remote control. And they're like, oh my God, if that's the nicest one that you've got, then you've got some issues, my man. Issues. Man, that is just, let me see if I can get a little bit of extra light over here. Boom. Check that out. You can just do everything on this. I've seen a little deal on it on the internet, and you can do everything. Auxiliary trim. I guess this is for first and second gear. Yeah, first and second gear, baby. Yeah, so we're gonna check all this out. I'm gonna do a full-on review with it and all that stuff. Pretty stoked to have this. Get a little charger, comes with it, and a little balance port deal for your LiPo battery charging. And here's your little guy. You put it on there like that. Boom, boom. Because we need that adapter. And then here's the other little tool that comes with it. So that's it. But that's okay. I got 100 of those. Maybe not 100 of them, but we got a lot of them. And pretty in-depth is what I've seen on regards to the manual. So we're just going to take a little quick look at that. Electric 4-wheel. 110 ratio. So yeah, just, you know, it just goes through do's and don'ts, you know, but then it goes through, breaks everything down on everything, literally piece by piece. So you know everything that they're putting together here on if you have any breaks. So very, 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 very cool. Very excited about that. So let's put all this back in here, and then let's get back to this most exciting part of this adventure, which is the velocity and drift movement. The ghost. That's what it says on it. The ghost. So let's see here. What we got going on here? The tires. 110 scale, 110. Yeah, they're a little bit taller than ice compared to, yeah, they're rock crushers. Nice, got a nice foam in there. This is the same, very similar as my other ones, and we're gonna do a little deal on them. But man, that's some good twist to it. Look at that. Bam! Look at that. Boom! Boom! Goes all the way up and touches. That's some hardcore articulation. And up in the front too. Holy moly. Look at that. That's normally a tire to get underneath there, and that's definitely a tire underneath there. These are bead locks. Very nice. Got your little spot for your battery that comes with in there. You got your little guy. On off button, I was told that somehow is like kind of in here, I think. So we'll figure that out. Your motor's right there. We'll figure that all out. And where exactly this little power button is. But we'll find out. I got this quite a while ago. It's got the Velcro strap in there. That's kind of cool. I mean, the shocks don't feel like they're oil, but they're pretty cool. All of this, man, I'm just excited. Very excited to go out and play with this thing. Oh my goodness. And I can't wait, and I'll do a little deal on it, you know. Woohoo! Woo-hoo-hoo. Look at that. Woo-hoo. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Nice. Not too bad. Actually very excited. And, you know, and scale wise, not too bad at all. Here's the Jeep. Or not the Jeep. The Blazer. So length wise, it's just a little shorter, which is normal, right? For these guys. Because it's supposed to be a Jeep. Jeeps aren't as big as the Blazers. And in height and all that scale, I'm thinking it's pretty right on. I mean, not bad. Not bad. So, very cool. Very excited. I'll do some other videos so that we can see, but here's some real close-ups on it. Just a little sticker for the approval through the assembly lines. Got a few pieces of metal right here, and on the back side. Make sure we have a little extra support. There's a servo right there that you can see. Same exact axle, I believe. I'm gonna have to take a good look at that, but we got a couple other Wiltoys, same exact axle, which is normal that they use a lot of the same products. It's all plastic here, but you know, so far their products, they've been working, they've been doing it, and so this is affordable. Roughly $165, I think, is roughly what's going on. And you get everything. You get the battery, you get the vehicle, obviously, you get that cool remote, control. You get that, you get this. So you get all of that and the manual, which I put away, all for $165 delivered. You can't beat that with a stick. You can try. Now, is it the quality of the Wrath? No. No, I'm sure it's not. It's $165 versus $400. But will you have some fun with it? And can you get parts and stuff like that if you break them? Yeah. Yeah, you can. Of course you can. All right, man, I give it a thumbs up, and I'm going to try it out. I'm going to go run it around. I'm going to go do stuff. But look at that. Look how mean it is. Turning all like that. And then boom, boom. Right on. Cool. Sweet. Check it out.